Kiss to me.
Huh? Kiss.
Baliw. Baliw na.
Sobrang sarap niyan pag, black coffee and then like, it's a big sweet.
Because the bitterness makes that taste sweeter. Sarap.
Drink lukewarm water instead of cold water. Is it, is it like sore? Go.
Hindi, gargles soap.
What's up?
Ba't lumiit?
Diba? It looks like it did.
Sino kaya kakalaban niya?
Wala.
Boyfriend ni Pam. Nilaban sila kung sino manalo. Kung manalo si Kevin, magbe-break na sila.
Wala. There's nothing like that.
Love is in a game.
Have you ever, outside, have you ever played a game where if you win, you lose? Outside, sa labas, in the States, have you ever played a game where if you win, you lose? Well, that's very labo.
If you win, you lose.
Isip mo.
Well, then why would I play?
Say you didn't know.
Huh?
So checkers, man.
Huh?
Just the side that you already did.
Slushy C2.
Wow.
Ana.
Naman.
Sige. Si Bang. Bang.
Football, yeah.
Let's play kick up.
I don't kick out.
Kick up. Kick ups?
Pickups, hacky sack.
Uh-uh.
You know one thing I loved about
Seatbelt.
football? Juking. I love juking out people, yeah. One time, the best juke I've ever gotten was someone was behind me, someone was in front of me. I went, and I spun, but I didn't know someone behind me, so he barely missed me and they collided. And they both hit the ground. I was like, yeah, boy.
Juking. Parang crossover.
It's kind of just like faking them out.
Yeah. You have to be really quick about it.
Quick about it.
Quick about it. You do it in basketball, but that's if you have really good ball control.
Ano?
Endow the powers of the patrimonial.
She's gonna miss right here.
Gusto ko yung
Baseball?
hindi.
Oh man,
Yung second round natin, ano ba tawag sa ganon?
I was scarred from pitching now.
Oh,
The shooting
basketball
team.
shootout?
Shot.
Favorite ko yun, grabe.
I was scarred from
May
pitching.
isang ganon na like every 2 minutes siguro mag-stop. Pero yung points mo nandun pa rin. Tapos yun nakaabot ako mga 500. Non-stop. I mean, may...
Palagi ka pala naglalaro.
Oo, kaya...
Tama yung ginagawa mo yung pabilisan lang.
Yung ginagawa ko lang, go.
Me and my brother used to play baseball together with like the wiffle bat and the ball.
yeah.
But I was scarred one time. I pitched it to him and I was like, ha. And I hit the ground. I was like, I had the biggest bump.
Natuloy mo yun sa terrace, batabaan dito?
Ha?
Oo!
Grabe, hulog ka talaga.
Pero hindi sobra.
Ako dito.
Tama lang.
It's crazy when pitchers bean people.
Hindi ko alam
Oh
paano
man,
sa pag...
that ball's hard.
Oh, yeah.
Paano?
And they bean it
Hindi
on
ko alam,
purpose.
nakalimutan ko. Naalala ko, parang bata pa ako, first year sila ni high school. Sobrang lakas ng surf or smash bata.
Smash! Oh my gulay!
Puro ba talaga? Bang!
Ako ano?
Ang natutulak pa, sabay lahat yung katawan.
Ako siyang ano.
Ha?
Nasa volley ako, doubles kami. Tapos partner ko. Tapos, sabi ko, yours! Tapos tumingin ako sa kanya. Tapos, nagkamali ata siyang tira. Ayun,
Diretso sa'yo.
diretso sa akin.
Dito.
Pero hindi naman ganun lakas. Buti
Sa
na lang.
paintball talaga. Dito.
I love that.
Hulog dyan.
Ako dito lang.
You're not required to wear helmets here?
Helmet.
Oh.
Pero tamaan, helmet. Dito. Bang.
Ako dito lagi. Pero
Hit it when
hindi
the
sumasabog.
paint goes, if you get a headshot here, the paint just goes in your mouth.
Ang ayaw ko talaga dito, fingers.
Oh, lagi ako fingers tsaka dito.
Paintballer?
Pero hindi sumasabog dito.
So, my scar.
Nag-ano lang, gumagano.
Kasi hindi direct.
Oo.
Pero pag dito.
You been hit by a frozen paintball?
Frozen paintball.
Some people do that in the States.
What?
Some hurts.
Sobrang sakit ng
My friend showed me
pressure.
a welt. He was like, it didn't even pop. It just hit me and it hurt a lot. I thought he shot a marble at me.
Frozen na yung
marble.
Oo.
It didn't kill him, but you know, it hurt. Hurts more
For
than
sure. It's gonna leave a nice mark.
what she's sewing.
May iba hindi nagsusot ng armor. Long sleeves lang.
Ang uso
Kasi
dito,
gusto
hindi
nila,
paintball eh. Yung airsoft yung uso dito.
Oh?
What do you usually wear when you go
Diba?
paintballing?
Siguro airsoft lang.
Indiana.
Twice lang
Indiana?
ako nag-paintball.
What's Indiana?
Mas
Indiana?
masaya ang paintball.
State Indiana.
Walang dayaan.
We go to Indiana or like an hour and a half drive from where we live.
Pero ano,
Airsoft
nagsuot
kasi
mo?
if it's like
What do you usually
competition.
wear?
Oh, usually depending on where we go and if and the weather. Usually I wear I like wearing my hoodie and my painting pants and my knee pads and stuff and gloves.
So I've seen some people wear thick jackets.
This car here, I just wore a shirt.
Paintball.
Yeah, it's too hot, so I just wore a shirt and my usual pants.
Have you ever watched like videos like, I remember someone did it for like $100. They got shot in the back with a paintball gun like over and over.
That,
Gosh, it looked gross.
Do you
So
suggest
torn
yung
back.
ano talaga?
oh my gosh, yeah.
Shotgun yung
Rubber bullet.
Oh,
rubber bullet.
and they took it. Weren't they standing
Yeah.
with a helmet?
Helmet, tapos may
They're like
protector sila sa heart and sa
Cup.
groin. Oo, tapos saan lang yun pwedeng tumaan.
Baliw naman yung mga yun.
Champion talaga yung kotse niya.
Oh my gosh, I would never do that.
Which one is that one?
Pero kung ako yun, display ko yung x-ray sa...
Which
Ano
which
yun?
one's
The
that one?
movie.
yung nilagay niya sa yung kotse na...
Inside a. And they stuck it.
Nilagay niya sa ikot niya.
And you got an
Tapos
x-ray.
nagpa-x-ray siya. Sabi niya sa doctor, hindi ko alam masakit ang ikot ko eh. Ay, natinig ka pa. Ang cool ng x-ray. Ribs. Tapos mga yung x-ray dito, pelvic bone, tapos may kotse
The
talaga.
doctor said that they had some gay orgy or something.
For sure.